Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show, live location at my crib, okay? Yes, indeed. It's my 36th birthday! Yay! Yep. Your boy Dominoes 7 is so excited, you know? But unfortunately, just a third birthday without my mom, though, you know? Some of you already know that she passed away the year before last, you know. I wasn't expecting that, though. Well, I was expecting it, but didn't know when, you know. So, I'm the big 3-6, and I'm happy about that, you know. So, let me just step outside and see if my people's coming. Not yet. All right, y'all. The big 3-7. Oops, 3-6. Okay. Yes, indeed. You know, if Nala could have just came to the party, this would have been the first party she attended. Okay. So, anyway, I don't even know if Brittany gonna come. You know. I wish Brittany would have came though. Okay. I would have loved Brittany to come. Okay. So again, today, September the 13th, 2020. Okay. Again. September 13th, 2020, or should I say 2020, okay? Now this will be my first birthday without my auntie Gloria, my cousin Nate Charles' grandmother, you know. She passed away about 4 or 5 months ago, I think, you know. No, my mistake, 3 months ago, I do believe, you know. So this my second birthday without my auntie Jeanette, you know. So I really miss her very much, you know. Okay, my second birthday without my auntie Jeanette, my first birthday without my auntie Gloria. Okay, so 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is my fifth birthday without my grandmother. You know, she passed away in 2016, July the 18th, 2016. Or should I say 2016? One of the worst years, you know. Losing my grandmother and stuff like that. 2018, losing my mom, you know. Thank God I was born, because, you know, if my mom would have passed away in 1981, I would have never existed. You know, I wouldn't exist at all, you know. So what happened was my mom always died giving birth to my oldest brother. April 29th, 1981. I was born September 13th, 1984. You know, I probably would have never existed if my mom would have passed away that time. You know, but my mom passed away April 29th, 2018. So here's the deal: take the 1 and the 9 off the date. And switch the 1 and the 8 around and add 20 to it, you know. But who knows? All right. So this gonna be a wonderful birthday, okay? And I'm also gonna have the Facebook Live footages. I don't know when, okay? So anyway, I don't know when I'm gonna upload the Facebook Live videos on YouTube, you know. All right. So. Alright, so thank y'all for watching so far, okay? I'll be right back, okay? So make sure y'all enjoy the fun, alright? Alright. Be right back.